Welcome to the affordable Motorola Moto E22, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box. So what we can find here, the first thing that is the SIM eject tool, some paperwork like the quick start guide, the warranty card, and the safety guides. So the next thing that is the charger, the Motorola charger brick with all of the specs, and also the USB Type-C cable. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.